there, I'm Karen Harte and I'm the illustrator of the Milly McCarthy series, and my book Milly McCarthy and the St. Patrick's Day Pandemonium is a €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026. And some of the previous books I've illustrated, we've 5 books out so far in the series, so here they all are. So we have, the first book is Milly McCarthy is a complete catastrophe, and that's where we kind of are introduced to Milly, but you can kind of drop in whenever you want to the books. But she's a 10-and-a-half-year-old girl from Cork. She goes to a Gael school. She has 2 brothers and 1 sister and lives with her mum and dad as well, and has lots of fun and hijinks and Irish dancing and loads of fun with her school and friends. And the second book in the series is called Milly McCarthy's Irish Dancing Disaster. This is one of my favourites. Milly McCarthy and the Sports Day Shambles, another great one, and I love Milly McCarthy's Christmas Calamity with this glittery cover. And then this one is the most recent one, Milly McCarthy's Wild Atlantic Antics. So I think about my favourite place to read. I feel like I love reading in my garden, lying on the grass on a blanket in the sun when it's a sunny day, and I need to have some sort of shade as well. So maybe in the shade, half in the shade. And then if it's a winter's day, I love reading a book under a cozy blanket on the couch with a cup of tea. So they're my favourite places to read. My top tip for reading would be if you are ever in a bit of a funk and you don't really feel like reading, or you can't really get stuck into your new book maybe, is to set a number of pages to read. So you only have to read maybe 5 pages or maybe even just 1 page. And I guarantee after you read that 1 page or 5 pages, you'll want to read more. My reading challenge this year, I think, will be to try and listen to more audiobooks, because I love going for a walk every day, and I sometimes listen to music and podcasts, but I love to be able to listen to more audiobooks while I'm walking, so I combine my love of going for a nice walk in the lovely sunshine to also reading at the same time. So if I had to pick 5 books that maybe somebody that liked Milly McCarthy might enjoy as well, I would pick from the World Book Day book. I would definitely have to pick, if you go back and look at the Milly McCarthy's Wild Atlantic Antics, because that is so much fun. And this is the book where Milly and her class go to the Gaeltacht, and it's got lots of pictures that are illustrated by me and the words and the story by Leona Forde. And it's all about Milly's adventures in the Gaeltalk and going away with her class and having fun. So that's a really good one. And then this is a great one as well. I'm going to pick lots of graphic novels because I'm an illustrator as well. So Nina Peanut is amazing by Sarah Bowie. It's a fantastic book, and it's a graphic novel, and it's all about the adventures of Nina Peanut and her fantastically creative boogal tube channel. And it's got lots of fun and friendship in it, so that's great. And then another really classic graphic novel is This One Summer by Gillian and Mariko Tamaki, and it's just a beautiful book as well, with lots of illustrations. Graphic novel about 2 girls and their friendship before they go back to school in the summer. They go to a summer kind of holiday home with their families, and all about their relationship and their life. And then I would pick, I love this one as well, by Mac Barnett and illustrated by Mike Lowry. So this is another kind of a pseudo kind of graphic novel chapter book with words and pictures. And it's called Mac B Kid Spy. And this is a series as well. And it's all about Mac B and how he's a spy for the Queen of England. So it's very good. And then I love this book by Kate Pankhurst, which is called The Fantastically Great Women Artists and Their Stories. And like that, it's a chapter book, but loads of illustrations, really highly illustrated by Kate Pankhurst, and the words there as well. And yeah, so it's great for learning about artists and just having lots of inspiration as well. So they're my top 5 picks.